Welcome everyone and welcome with me Ambesh. He is Copilot Studio MVP already, but he has some learning tricks for you as well to skill yourself up with Copilot Studio. Over to you, Ambesh.
Thank you so much, Marius, and welcome everyone. Today, we are going to explore the Microsoft Copilot Studio Labs, the innovation playground for AI in the Power Platform Labs, is where the Microsoft introduced the experiment feature before they go to the mainstream, giving you the early access to the tools that can transform how you build and automate solution. So what's included? You will find an exciting capabilities like advanced prompt engineering, AI-powered workflow, Copilot Chat API integration, and intelligent data insight for the data was all designed to push the boundaries of what the Copilot can do. Why you should explore this? Because the labs lets you to stay ahead of the curve, experiment safely in the preview environments, and influence the product roadmap with your feedback. It is not just about trying the new features, it is about shaping the features of the AI in the business application. If you want to unlock the next level of productivity and be the part of innovation journey, Copilot Studio Labs is the perfect place to start. Today, I will show you what is inside, how to access it, and how you can make the most of this experiment feature. So you will get the URL anyhow to the so you will get the URL in the description of this video. And now you have this landing page where you are anyhow on the home page. You can start your journey with a quick start, autonomous AI, business users, and the developers. You have the number of labs available there, like the count, like a 15 labs, 13 labs, 3 and 6. It is also donate. It is for the beginner, it is for the advanced or the beginner to intermediate or intermediate to advanced. Then not only this, it also provides you the expected time to finish these labs. So example for the developers, you need approximately 9 to 10 hours. Believe me, if you are the new, you definitely need more time. But if you have already experience over there, you have run or executed the labs a couple of times, you probably would be much quicker into that one. Then to get a start, like as they mentioned, you can choose your journey, any of them from there. You can follow the guided path with the labs, which we will see in anyhow in few minutes from now. You can build the hands-on on the skill with the real Microsoft Copilot Studio projects, and you can progress at your own pace. So if you haven't able to complete in one day, it's totally fine. You can come to the next day and whenever you have available time to finish the labs. And if you're ready to build amazing AI agents, you can just pick any one of them and then start it. Let me start quickly with the quick start. So if I just click it here, with a quick start journey, you will anyhow see the difficulty level is literally minimal, like L100, which is the beginner. And then the estimated time is around 3 to 4 hours. They have the 6 labs, which generally take around 170 minutes. Now you have two filters here. So you can filter by the sections and the filter by journey. So I will anyhow start with a quick start journey here. And then you have like create your own web AI assistant, get public website chatbot, and you have a lot of the other features available. Example, I would like to create my first agent in the Microsoft Copilot Studio. I simply click here on the link and then you see the whole table content there, which also include the lab details, why does it matter, introduction, core concepts, some of the prerequisites. If you have any documentation or any additional training links, then you can summary the whole targets, what are the use case covered, any instruction for the use cases, and then you have like use case 1, 2, 3, whatever is available, and then summary of the learning. And then you have a complete explanation, quite details but precise here. And example, if I just go for the use case 1, so it simply said that you have to sign into your Copilot Studio. Like it gave you the summary of the task, but then you have a step-by-step instruction there. So example, you navigate to the copilotstudio.microsoft.com, and then it start the whole journey. I won't go line by line, but you can easily see like you have a um, simple step-by-step processes and the instruction there. And if something has to be typed, you have more easier way. You just simply copy and paste it in your text boxes or anywhere where you have to type your text, and then you can visualize this. Please remember, although the content is almost up to dated, but there might be some situations where based on your reason and the settings, this UI doesn't look very much similar to the UI where you're working. So you can't just match pixel by pixel with this screenshots. At any point of time, if you would like to come to the respective section of the page, you just simply see this navigation index and you can come to prerequisites, you can come to introductions, you can directly jump to the summary of learning and so on. This is how you start for the beginners. And then the another part is here. So it is just not for the beginners, but then you can go to the all labs where you can see that, okay, I would be very focused on autonomous AI journey. I just simply clicked it here and it already got filtered. So you will only see the labs related with the autonomous AI journey. Then the another part here, the architecture bootcamp. So they have the learning content for or the lab content for all of the architecture bootcamp, AI workshop, MCS in a day, agent build a thon for 1 day, and agent build a thon for 1 month. So you will see how does it being is like organized. And not only this, then apart from that, you can also have a toggle to switch to the dark mode to the light mode. And this is how you can literally work with that. My recommendation is please go through. It is really simple, step-by-step process, and it will really literally leverage your learnings. So don't ignore this. It There was a lot of effort to prepare this content, lot of effort to maintain this content, and a lot of the makers, developers, architects, even the business users are getting benefited with that one. So you should really try for that. And then thank you again for joining us. I hope this today's session gave you the clear picture that why Microsoft Copilot Studio Lab in such an amazing and exciting space for the innovation. Now it's your turn. Go explore the lab, experiment with the AI-driven features, and share your feedback to help shape for the future of the Copilot. Stay tuned. One video every day, lots of the learning ahead, and your support help us to keep spreading knowledge and holiday cheers throughout the community. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more festive Power Platform insight for use. Thank you again.